This is the mop we were using till date. The circumference of this is very small. It used to cover very less area of the floor. It was very difficult to remove the stains, sticky stains on the floor. Rod is almost rusted. After opening the box, this is how it looks. I am opening the upper part, and what we got inside is one mop, instruction manual. There are two compartments, and this another mop attached over here. I'll keep it down. This is big enough. Width is very small, so I think it can fit in the corner of the bathroom. It's around like 17 inches, and with the cap it should be around 18 inch. It has a deep two compartments and instruction manual. So one telescopic rod, mop head plastic, one mop attached to it, and one separate one, and this is scraper and bucket with the handle. Let's first look at the bucket. Handle is a little bit on the one side, maybe to pour the water easily by inclining it. Depth is very nice, so a lot of water can be used to clean the complete house. There is a hollowness over here, maybe because of the design of this bucket. A nice design texture. We chose wine color, pink color. On product it is mentioned as pink color. There is another option, grayish green. These are the outlets for the water. A plus point is it has a rubber cap, I think, which is very good, so water will not leak from here, and it fits it very well. The outlet is given on the both the sides. This is the scraper. It has two locks over here, open upwards. We will see like how it fits and how we can open it. But there are like two sections for the scraper. One, they have written it as wash and dry side and wash side, and there is a handle gap over here. We just have to make sure when we fit this scraper, we have to make sure that the handle slot is correctly adjusted. You will hear the sound, that means it is locked properly. When we put the scraper, attached it, fixed it, we get the two sections. One is dry, one is wash. As per instruction manual, it says that you have to fill 85% of water in wash compartment. Dry compartment, there should not be any water. Design is good. Just to compare, like we have regular height dustbin, you can see the difference. The height is good enough. Let us see this rod. The handle rod seems to be not iron. I have a magnet to check. Yes, it is not sticking. It is not iron. It has a foam grip, which is a plus point, and also a grip to put your thumb. This is also nicely designed. The rod has a lock over here. It is a telescopic rod. You can increase it, and the length, let's measure it. Yes, it is almost near 3 feet 9 inches, which is good enough for an average height person. Even it is adjustable and looks strong. To me, it is not bending. The build quality is strong. This is mop head plastic. When you are moving it, it directly moves to the 90 degrees, and it can easily bend on the other sides. So maybe it will help us to clean this way or this way. When I was looking for cleaning mop on websites, the one good thing I liked about this mop is like it has a grip given for this mop head. I'll show you. I opened this. There is a grip over here to hold this mop, and even this velcro material. It is completely, it sticks properly, and even when it is wet or we are wiping the floor, it will not get detached from this mop plastic. I'm trying to fit this, which is also very easy. You have to pull it till outside and put it properly on that, in that slot. Another plus point of this mop head plastic is silicone like rubber on the edge. This rubber edge may help us in, drying up the water. You can hear the sound of the rubber on the floor. This is the extra mop. The mop is of good quality, I can see, but in my opinion the thickness should be half a centimeter more thick and fluffy, but still it is of good thickness. It fits it well in mop head plastic. It is easily washable. You can dry after wash. We have assembled this mop, and you can see the handle. When you lift this bucket with the 85% filled water, it remains straight in the air. If this mop can remove the stain on the floor or not, we can see this right now. It is covering lot of surface during wiping the floor, which is a good part. Using the rubber silicone side to dry the water. This is amazing. You can see that dust particles are gathered together at one side. So this microfiber mop is actually removing the dust. It is rotating 180 degree. We will try to clean the skirting on the side walls. This is a nice feature, which is going inside the TV unit also. Even under the TV unit. The mop is working well. Just have to press a bit where the sticky stains you find on the floor. We are just trying to clean the window ledges. Due to its horizontal surface, it is easy to clean that also. Consider subscribing to our channel, where you will get knowledgeable videos for children and for elders.